Farms. Glad you guys could join us. We are picking corn. We got about 150 acres of dryland corn that actually make corn. It's doing about 13 bushel an acre at the moment. So we figured anything that's good enough to at least to go ahead and pick it, and then get that out of here anyways. So hopefully insurance will kick in on the rest. But yeah, so that's what we're kind of doing today, getting a little corn picked. Not a real fast job at the moment because it's only 150 acres and I only really need the combine and a truck. So, but yeah, so my truck driver is John. He has been with us for quite a little while. Before I started working for Divels, he was working for Divels as a truck driver. He always comes around harvest time and comes gives us a hand. And he's a real good guy, and we like having him around. So what we're picking today is high moisture corn, and we're hauling this corn off to the feedlot, and we're basically doing that because it's a failed corn. The plant isn't very healthy. Our chances of it all blowing down and losing what little bit we have out here is a lot greater when if we let it go until it's dry. So taking it off, and this is a good opportunity to get it done out of the field a lot quicker. We'll still have about 100 acres of irrigated to pick, but that's going to be a couple weeks yet away. It's still pretty wet, even for high moisture corn. Yeah. One thing about high moisture corn is it's hard to come out of the combine. It sticks a little bit, but as long as we keep it under 30% moisture, we do good, which we really don't like to take anything over 30% because at that point in time, theoretically, the corn could still be doing something as far as putting weight into the kernel and whatnot. So it's just a lot better to wait. I prefer to wait till after 30%. I like it even better down to 25% moisture. It works better with the combine. So I guess with that, tag along, ride along with the combine for a little bit, and we'll see if we can get it done. guys, I think we're gonna call it a night. We're not quite done, but we're almost done. So we'll pick it up in the morning and see what we can get done. Well, everybody, we're back. It's a little cool this morning, a little breezy. When I say breezy, it's definitely windy. Definitely windy. And it cooled off a lot. The last couple days we've had 100-degree temperature, and I think we're in the 60s right now. And windy. It's cold, but I like being a little colder than too hot. I just don't really want to see it get, below 40. I'm not ready for that yet. But we've got about 30 acres roughly, 25 to 30 acres left of this dryland corn to pick, and it's been running right around that 14-15 bushel an acre. And you might be thinking, well, why did all of our other dryland corn fail, but this one is still making? Well, we have had through the summer little showers that kind of come through, thunderstorms, and so some areas have actually gotten rain, but they're very small areas. You're talking maybe a mile wide but 2 miles long is all the distance the rain went. And this happened to be one of those fields that caught a couple of those nice showers at the right time. It needed a little more rain to go ahead and make it do better. But the fact that we have anything out here is amazing anyways. It's been terribly dry and hot. So we'll get going here, get it knocked out. We're supposed to be getting rain showers throughout the day and tomorrow, tonight. I'm hoping we get some rain. That would be good. Rain is always good. And then I can go drive blueberry more. Start drilling wheat. We need to get the wheat drilled. We still got time on that, but it's slowly disappearing on us. Well, guys, I have about out of fuel in the combine. Thought I'd have enough to finish, but I don't think we're going to, and I don't really want to risk it. Part of the reason I didn't bring fuel out because the tire on the fuel trailer blew out. I guess I got to get that fixed now. We'll go get that done and get fuel. I think we only got 15 acres left, but that's okay. We'll get it done. combine. We got enough fuel to finish. Yeah, we should have enough fuel to finish. And I got John with me riding along. I don't know, am I entertaining enough for you, John?
Oh yes, you're very entertaining.
Well, that's good.
We need to hurry up and get done with this.
We got
Before it rains.
Yeah, that's right. We got rain coming. Well, we're gonna say we have rain coming. Whether it's not, we don't know. But with that, we're gonna continue, get this part done so we can go on to do something else. Or just go home early because it is kind of windy and nasty out. Does that sound like a good plan, John?
Sounds good to me. I got to make a trip down to the feed yard. Yeah?
Yeah, that's right. You got to go. Yeah, your job won't be done for a little bit.
Not for a little bit.
All right. Alright guys, well we got finished with the corn, got moved back into town, and John's heading out with the last truckload. Went pretty good. It's kind of a short harvest. Normally we have around around 600 to 700 acres of dry land to pick. We only had 150 acres this year. I guess better than none. We do still have about 100 acres of irrigated, but that's still a couple weeks away. So with that, we'll be moving on to getting the wheat drilled, finishing up with working on the drill. Hopefully we get some rain. They're talking rain actually today and tomorrow. So we're really hoping that we get some moisture. Sure looks like it could. We got a good blue sky out there. So yeah, with that, I think we're gonna close the video here. We thank you guys for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you can get alerts and more when we're got more going out. With that, we'll catch you guys later.